Education is changing. Long lectures are out and active learning strategies are in. Whether that's a new term for you or you're already using active learning strategies when you teach or train, you might still be wondering how you can keep your teaching approach fresh and your content engaging. That's where I come in. My name is Sarah and I'm a trainer, facilitator, and educator. I've been in higher education for over 10 years and have won numerous awards for my teaching and training techniques. On this channel, I am committed to helping you go beyond the lecture. That means giving you simple, active learning strategies that you can learn in the time it takes to drink a cup of coffee. I'll be posting new videos every week, so make sure you hit subscribe to be alerted when new content comes out. You'll get great tips, tricks, and strategies to engage your students and transform your learning environment.